try it by 1 millimeter. Before we practice it by 0.8, but I feel 0.8 here is not so much hard wire. So let me try if I use the 1 millimeter to test. Let's just try to make some name. Yeah, we try the 1 millimeter. Here, here. I'm use this round plier to help. Okay, and let's try it. I'm going to try a letter G. Here. Okay, I'm going to fold it outside here. Here, this way. This should be a mistake way. Too thick. 1 millimeter wire, a little bit thick. But I think my wrapper way is not the correct. I just see a new way make the letter G. I want to have a try. Okay, here. Yeah, this is another way. Hi, happy to see you, everyone. G, then bend it in the way make O. 1 millimeter will be make it stronger than 0.8, but it's more hard to bend. Hard to bend. Oh. And we make a good GO. GOOD. D. Fold it to the loop. Here, D. Then we'll go bend it up and bend it down here. Okay, and fold it. Okay, so here is the way that make the good. Okay, so why 1 millimeter can make the letter looks stronger? Just when you are making it, it's a little bit harder to make. So if at the beginning we practice, we can use the 0.8 to practice. When we learned it, you can make it nice. Then we start to use 1 millimeter for the letter making. Maybe it looks more nice. Here. Too long. Okay. Here. Hi. Yanni, we just finished the Z and this. Yeah, not miss too much a lot. So just finish here. And I try use the 1 millimeter make it. 1 millimeter we make it. So it's just finish, try the 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter make the letter looks more stronger and more thick. That both all are the same size. You can, when I do it, I just fold these two wire in the same way, but actually it's not exactly same size. This one more like oval, this one more round shape. Here. So this is the letter G. That's way good we made. Yeah. So this one. Okay, so I can make the name necklace for you.